Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to wrap the text around a photo or an object in Adobe Photoshop like this. First, let me open a new document by pressing Ctrl N. I will choose this A4 option. Let me zoom in. Now bring in a photo like this into your document and convert it into smart object so that when you zoom it in or out, it doesn't get pixelated. Put it in a proper place in your document and click on commit. Now our picture is beautifully placed inside this document. First we will bring in rulers by pressing Ctrl R. Let me bring this ruler right over here and next one right over here. And from the left I'll bring in this one over here. Now I'll put in the text right inside this area. Now go to the pen tool, click over here and make another click over here. Now keep clicking on like this so that you could make a selection around the object, and I'm gonna speed up this part. Now again click over here, and similarly you can now click at the last point again to make a selection. Next, go to text tool, put in some dummy text over here. Now to multiply this text, go to type and paste lorem ipsum text. Do it a few more times so that the whole text must be filled inside this area. Now you can select all the text and change its color right from here. I'm gonna choose this dark black color. Okay, and now click on this commit sign, and here we go. Let's remove these rulers. Just hold them and take them to the sides. Let me zoom in to give you a closer look. You can see how beautifully this text is placed around this photo. I hope you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.